Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to turn off location tracking. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So here on your Windows, what you're going to do here or on your laptop or PC, just go to your start menu, tap on your start menu, and then this time you have to look for settings or you can just go directly to location. So here you can go to settings first and then you can now tap on or look for privacy. Tap this one. Here are your privacy settings. If you go to the left side, you will see the location. So you have to scroll down and look or find location. Double click location and tap location. Now allow access to this location and this device. You can now tap on change it. So basically, if you have turned this one on, all you have to do is to turn this one off. So you just have to toggle this one off or turn this one off. Now, what is the advantage of turning off your location? Of course, increased privacy, better battery life, less targeted ads, cleaner data, and improved security. And that's how easy it is to turn off location tracking. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.